Join us for our latest TechLAB on how best to harness the power of database as a service. Here are the topics we will cover on the session. The typical uses that databases, DBs, are put to. Why are DBaaS solutions so popular? I'll explore how the right choice of DBaaS can be a tonic for your business applications. Moving on to the leading DBs and what they are used for. What to expect when you move from a self-managed database to DBaaS. Tips on how to accelerate your adoption. And finally, I'll share how these tools integrate into a finely balanced ecosystem. I'll occasionally throw in a teaser on how to master the next level. And finally, I'll talk about where you can get into the detail. A quick reminder, 75% of your applications will be connected to a database. So you need to be confident that it's being done efficiently, the data is being properly handled, and it's secure and compliant. After all, in order to extract value from your data, you need to trust your cloud partner and the platform in use. Let's start by covering off the typical uses of DBaaS. Pretty much every organization I've spoken to are going through two scenarios. Either you're migrating and/or modernizing your existing applications, or you're introducing new apps. In this case, most companies are adopting cloud-native strategies to make this happen effectively, and that is especially true for your AI projects. In a nutshell, you need PaaS solutions that enable your organization to build, run, and manage applications faster, more efficiently, and more securely. The reasons for DBaaS are compelling and explain why it has become so popular. You can leverage OVHcloud DBaaS for impactful results across 5 key areas. 1. Immediate provisioning and effortless scalability ensures rapid deployment and continuous uptime. Deploy instantly via API, OVHcloud Manager, or Terraform. Seamlessly adjust infrastructure size with zero downtime. Upgrade service plans with no interruptions. 2. Simplified management to enhance productivity. Reliable data replication and automated backups across secure locations. Automatic patches and updates underpinned by robust SLAs, 99.9% for business, 99.95% for enterprise. 3. Comprehensive security and compliance are standard. Exclusive connections from authorized IPs, SSL encryption for data in motion and at rest, with additional disk encryption options, adherence to strict compliance standards. 4. Transparent cloud economics for better operational efficiency. Clear, straightforward pricing with all-inclusive hourly or monthly rates. Predictable budgeting without hidden costs, with included traffic and private network. Tailored support levels and professional service packs for project acceleration. 5. Embrace a GDPR-compliant win-win partnership in a trusted cloud ecosystem. Commitment to avoiding vendor lock-in with an open-source framework. Thriving partner network fostering growth and control over data governance and sovereignty. Empower your business with OVHcloud DBaaS, minimizing daily operational distractions to drive essential business value. Another way to put it is that we handle the routine administration, whilst you focus on the higher value business critical activity. The orange shows what you would traditionally do when managing a DB. In the new world of DBaaS, the blue shows what we do to save you time and energy. In simple terms, a fully managed solution that comes with a software license and covers the complete stack, which includes agile provisioning in minutes. Specifically, you get hardware in a water-cooled DC, virtual instances and operating system, network settings, backup storage, security, patches and updates, configuration and bug fixes, setup, monitoring and maintenance, auditing, secured data, ACL permission management. In other words, you get a high availability solution that will scale with your needs. And what's more, You don't need to worry about hiring and retaining staff with specialized skills. Now that we're clear on the benefits of DBaaS, you're probably wondering how they support your business applications. So let's take a look at the kind of apps that benefit most. CMS needs to manage large amounts of content, media assets, and user accounts. Mobile and web apps uses DBaaS to store user-generated content, profiles, and application data. IoT apps store data from equipment that results in masses of data points, so time series DBs make this manageable. Big data apps require sophisticated access and storage for machine learning models. ERP and CRM need high levels of flexibility, scalability, and reliability. In every case, you need it to integrate seamlessly. So, using the right DBaaS from a cloud service provider like OVHcloud is easy to select and spin up to suit your business need. The first thing to consider is how you consume the DBaaS. You may be running a private cloud or hosted private cloud environment, which you may want to supplement with public cloud services. So you need to think about where you want to spin up services like bare metal, public cloud instances, managed Kubernetes, etc. In all these scenarios, you will need a robust private and public network to ensure adequate connectivity and security. Now that you're familiar with the benefits, let's cover the actual databases we provide. To make it easy, I've categorized into 4 sections. We have a selection of top-tier databases, each a giant in its domain. Kafka, the premier platform for scalable data queuing and integration. MySQL, the widely used open-source relational database, perfect for large data storage. Redis, the rapid in-memory database that supercharges app performance with its caching capabilities. MongoDB, the foremost NoSQL choice, offering robust data availability and distribution features. M3 and OpenSearch cater to your data analysis needs, ideal for IoT and real-time monitoring. Grafana delivers powerful visualization tools, making complex data easy to decipher with unified dashboards. Our experts are ready to guide you to the optimal database solution for your needs. Plus, these services are readily available across Europe and North America with just a few clicks. Behind the scenes, our partnership with Avon, leaders in open-source DBaaS and a North European unicorn since 2022, underscores our shared commitment to open-source innovation and excellence. We offer 3 tiers of DBaaS plan. These cater for the type of applications and environment you're intending to run. So if you want something affordable for development and testing, you can get a small feature set at an affordable price. If you're intending to use them for production, then you'll need more support, public and private network availability, keen SLAs, cluster replication, and more demanding for enterprise-type environments. You can see the DBs that these support levels apply to. We also partner directly with MongoDB to deliver their service to you. Don't worry, we won't go into the detail of every DB. This is a teaser to whet your appetite on the detail. Please ask our specialists for a deep dive. We offer similar tiers for MongoDB. These cater for the type of applications and environment you're intending to run. Many of our customers take advantage of the first tier, which is free to use and gets them familiar with the service. We're all on a fast track to deliver projects, so we've designed 3 simple packages to help you on your journey. These were designed to help customers dependent on the size of their projects. We can of course give advice that matches your existing knowledge and level of confidence, so that we deliver to your timescales. I know we've been focused on DBaaS so far, but we don't live in an isolated ecosystem. This diagram shows the interrelated nature of the cloud solutions. Hopefully this diagram can help you to visualize the technologies beyond DBaaS that will be typically deployed in your projects. Discover the strategic deployment of various technologies, from databases to Kafka and object storage, to enhance your projects. Visualize the dynamic nature of your data using visualization tools and observability. It's not just about the cloud. It's about efficiently constructing your entire private and public estate. Uncover the value of services and optimize each component using tools for preparation, cleaning, observation, and regression modeling. This is just the beginning. Join us on a journey through each layer, streamlining your approach to AI and ML projects in our series of Tech Labs. The ecosystem I've just covered relies on different types of storage. Each storage type has its pros and cons. Block storage is fast and easy to modify, but it doesn't come with metadata and can become more expensive. File storage is scalable from small beginnings and is user-friendly, although as it grows, it can become costly and cumbersome to manage. Object storage is more modular, so helps scalability, and because it uses metadata, it's more adaptable to your advanced needs. However, it takes more replication and hence has slower performance. OVHcloud offer you all you need to integrate your needs through a streamlined and simple commercial model. What next? This was just a flying visit into the world of DBaaS. If you want practical advice on how to establish the services for your projects, please join us for a face-to-face Tech Lab session. We not only give you hands-on experience of spinning up services, but we provide a library of demos that will help you get answers to all those hard questions. Thank you for listening to this video, and we hope to see you at one of our Tech Labs, where our experts are standing by to help. Be sure to register for our Tech Lab and subscribe to our Bright Talk channel.